kitchen today again.
He's a brand new chef.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Pot kind of start before we reach her, you know, so just a catch it. Andras is on his move. What you having here today, boss?
Steamed fish.
Dumpling, yam and banana and steamed fish.
Yeah. Quicker than fast.
Yeah, quicker than fast.
Yeah, show them so we take less than an hour to cook hard food and steamed fish.
Yeah.
Less than an hour.
Oh, less than an hour.
Less than an hour. 50 minutes, everything done.
Alright, see? Banana, garnin, yam garnin.
Dumpling are last thing I go in.
Oh,
Fish them they well clean up.
so fish them clean up and look good there. And yonkin for going night. Yonkin with yoko. Yoko, yoko, y'all. Chew up all. See it?
Scotch bonnet pepper, well pressed.
Yeah. All the yoko, you know? Pretty like that, you're scotchy.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Out today. In the galley.
Sun is well shining in Birmingham, United Kingdom right now.
I tell you.
I'm not sure about the time, but I think it's about 5:45. And still a shine. Sun now stop shines until 9 o'clock tonight.
10 o'clock before sun start shine. We never see this go on yet. Sun can shine
on the right time. Yes,
oh,
my brother, bless.
just in time when the flower them are going, so you know you don't have long left.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, one thing the fish them not started, so.
Press and spin.
I will tell you. I colors alone though, when you roll and press.
Roll and press.
Oh, bigger colors in it, yeah.
Yeah.
And them man do roll and press, you know.
Up top.
I wish I would have my Mariana preacher on it.
No, it's a different preacher.
I don't remember no Andrew wellness stuff.
Everybody about no Andrew, I don't know what Andrew do them. The amount of people who are about Andrew to blood clot.
I believe Andrew alone, man. Andrew prosper. Remember, as Andrew bad does everybody else like I believe Andrew alone, man.
They must say, Andrew will take what is not his. That's not nice. To be taking what is not yours.
It's, how much subscribers I have already? Supposed to go on about and good though.
You man?
Not dance much.
1 month in the start back. Why sun a shine mad, yeah. Sun a shine mad in a Birmingham. Outside. Sun mad. Catching yarn with them tomato them. Catching tomato them. I was showing them back down in the month when them start ripe up. Them a beer already, you know. Yeah. A mini garden, you know. Jamaican Life Abroad TV out. Rasema steamed fish.
Rasema steamed fish.
I want the Rasema steamed fish. Hello? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. See the people. Sure. They are doing things, sir.
Okay, they're not bad, right? No dear.
Girl complimento.
I made a better than them right this one. One of my water that season.
You don't know that me I do? That me I do. Use not my water. Where's trainer there?
It's for the...
I don't know your stream. I don't know your putting.
New bro.
No, that's how I love it.
This season me mix it, me just mix it up. Butter me, John Grace, butter me.
Alright.
That's the go. Enough people eat this, but me no eat that.
No, we don't
You really know me?
No,
We don't put the noble in
that's a for soup.
That is nice fish.
Go for butter, no man.
I want to butter there. You buy butter?
No, yeah, man. It's alright then.
Just get knocked. Turns out like clear. Seafood pot there. Dumpling, yam and banana.
You know, there's a custom I make. Dumpling or water, I say club, you know.
And they dumpling them both to do it.
And it's about 2 euros, I mean, I have to show my talent.
Hey.
I didn't rasta. You know, say
Show your talent, what do you mean? Show your talent.
Talent up is sure. Turn that down, one.
You know, think it want to come over.
Turn it, yeah, I put more, turn it down.
Come over water and I... What clot? This one. Oh. Them pumpkin are hard to mash out, you know. They're hard to mash out, you
You
know.
don't want to mash it up.
Is it?
You don't want pumpkin to eat. You don't eat pumpkin.
Oh. And that food pot there put it?
No, I put it in there. Steam fish. And you can tell me what size you want, you know.
Call it, no, I'm going to call it 25.
Why is everybody calling Andrew name Andrew?
Then up them below, Andrew.
You never go on this here?
Hmm?
Never call it this here, man. Next year I find out here. How many years ago? 5? I don't need to call it till next year. We are doing that next year.
Well, September, it can't go longer than September.
Which September?
This September. Yeah. That one I can't turn on to, you know.
And now make sure I clean up everything else first.
But look, coloring. Steam fish are going in a coloring pot.
You smell nothing. How when next you know, so we need to have lesson, really and truly.
Yeah?
On a Wednesday, steam fish lesson.
Okay.
Got too much mister there about here.
Hey.
Yeah, too much mister. I can't afford to go buy some steam fish down the road and the man miss.
Sure.
And instead of my action fight.
Is it? You know them not do the team fish
You
right.
not get it. Them a miss.
Sure.
Them a miss, Rasta.
Man, I'm a miss pan steam fish in a restaurant, them man say.
Yeah, them a miss.
You tell us say you miss part of your calling as a chef.
But no.
So the man them a miss out on the restaurant steam fish them.
Then I can't put up back. Now use them.
You know what my friend would have say?
Hmm.
Do some fish and steam some. What the thing where you like again? Prawn and them something there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Every Friday for a year and see how much you make. That's what Kitty would have tell you. Do it for 1 year and see how much money you make.
The man say me not do nothing for 1 year and see how much money me have. Don't do nothing at all for 1 year and see how much money me have.
Kiddy said that too?
Yeah.
Just give up the Friday flossing.
Three pair of shoes the man wear for a year now.
Eh?
3 pair of shoes for a year and 6 suit of clothes.
I think say you have money like that.
Clean.
The man did that work for you, but you know, you drop out left everything, that's why you have to enjoy some of it while you are alive. That means I tell someone why they're going to talk about the rich and the money now show. Yeah.
Still alive, not.
Man, I'm not even fisherman, you know.
One man, miss the
No
yard.
fish, no lobster,
My
nothing.
vegetarian.
Just vegetable.
One man, miss a yard to blow not.
Aye.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know somebody come in a long time, big good I done a long time too.
Sure.
Good like that.
Yeah, man.
Some people like no okra in them something.
Yeah. Get you in a minute. Huh?
Bling?
Big bling in a food.
No, Bling never there.
How did you do that? How that then?
Oh, it's on. Biggest brown.
And them teeth are like that.
Straight fish them season up, you know. So wait for the pumpkin man thing.
You're serious?
You put them in now.
Fi
It's a
cook
man,
down.
them teeth are the lyric off you know.
Then
Is that what you want it?
how where fridge there? Them don't have to put brown fridge.
No, already. Rotted. You know, somebody should have put the fish in the fridge to remove.
Yeah, because
Wow. Space in there?
yeah.
Okra them there.
Thank God we made it. Me and my dog them in a spaceship. In a custom Julie Bailey.
Chef and artist in a one, you know.
Yeah.
Chef,
Oh Jesus.
chef and artist in a one.
You tell them?
May I know which one you must stick to.
You shouldn't tell them yet.
Yeah.
You should have wait till we share out the food to save me miss.
Alright then.
Chef a clean up back the kitchen, you know? That's how we do it.
You know, say if you concentrate on one thing, you want to concentrate on the cooking or concentrate on the DJ thing.
Tell him.
I feel like we concentrate on the cooking.
From your do road, what you have out there?
None.
Yeah.
One little pit bike clean up around the road and
God almighty. Eh? I know, say if you have cook, you have something long time, you know, say you concentrate on the cooking, you have something.
long time.
Guarantee you go and Benz park up outside our Range Rover.
That's true.
I guarantee.
Pack on a friend them here. packing style and junglers. Pack them properly, you know. The pack not so big. Pack them. So them pumpkin, you know. And go on top. So then get soft and I cook already. I cook this now 2, 3. And then go and steam.
You got time already?
Yeah, I'm putting the butter in there. And then we get some tough crackers, you know? Line them with it. And I put a little more water. But you want it to steam first. Then we add that one in. What next now?
Jamaican in a foreign. Me fi tell you.
That's all now, 2, 3. A little piece of time.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you no skeleton.
Yeah, I cut it up in there.
Oh.
In there, Little piece of time I'm going to that now.
Oh, me fi tell you. Time is the master, you know, and time can be disaster if you don't care.
Time and garlic is the most.
Eh,
Time and the
important.
pimento and the garlic I 3 powerfulest thing in there.
Yeah. And time is the master, and time can be disaster if you don't care. Watch out or beware. Me fi tell you, I would like to use. Ghana Road. Me fi tell you.
Yeah. That's steam now, Rasta. Am I going good now?
You don't need to come
You
back.
don't need to come back. You alright?
Yeah, man, I am.
You have legal weed I sell down there, no? Legally, you know.
Oh, shop.
Yeah.
Where?
I think I sent me here on North Coast.
And I'm a farm too.
I grow pepper.
I'm supposed to weed too.
That means someone pay money to be able to use.
Yeah. It never so full.
Alright.
Let me taste this now. Just a little taste.
I'm gonna roll with them and go and this stuff. Come on, man. We don't get no younger, you know. I have big 10-year-old with me.
But it's supposed to have all on 10.
Before you know that water that's full.
Darn.
Direct.
That bit because of?
And you want me to role model for that boy.
Yeah.
That boy don't want to see falling up on road. Otherwise he wants to money come.
Yes, people are about to reach the finishing touch now. Remember, so I see it from the start and see it, you know, finishing touch. See how the finishing touch look then? Yeah. Yeah, see it there? Out, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Just done land a boat. See it there? Yardman style in a foreign. Them bad like we. Them think a yard alone we do it a foreign too.
No dear. No. See there?
See there? See how it look here? Take a look for the people and tell me.
50 minutes.
Yeah, 50 minutes.
Less than an hour.
You know what I mean?
50 minutes.
50 minutes less than an hour and we land. Them for know. See there? It's all about it. Me that? Best one.
Yeah.
Ah, see there? It's all about it.
Up
Land,
and flying.
land.
Flying.
Oh gosh. Alright.
Yeah, land.
Right. Land. Yeah, you can go on now. I don't want to see my food.
Yeah.
Can't eat 6, 7 dumplings.
Hey, see that land, people.
Land right now. And we still have more fish. Much fish well in a one little pot. Because we know we pack them.
Yeah.
One pot can hold all 10 fish because we pack them in a style.
I will tell you.
And we cook with banana them in our skin because we know our banana them mash up.
Yeah, I like Jamaica.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
no people.
lickless banana them mash up.
Yeah,
But them I wanna cow big them is to put them in
Yeah.
without skin. Them turn porridge for you.
foreign banana easy for mash up, so we cook the banana them in a skin. Take
Me
them
fi
out.
tell you.
Take them out of the skin. Easy, like Sunday morning.
Me fi tell you.
Yeah.
Oh. I want green pepper for my own there. Oh. I will say pepper. Oh Jesus.
And the one green pepper make you sell off.
I will tell you.
Because you know when you go seafood,
Mm-mm.
we don't want no raw.
Ah.
And when you take up the fish, then they now mash up because we know how long to make them steam fat.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to call it doing
This can't throw away.
Yeah man, say my wasting talent there.
God know. And that is chef food.
Oh chef.
That is chef
Bad
food.
like that. And that I cameraman one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So chef don't eat enough.
And that a few rest of the team when the team
When the
comes
team
from.
arrive, we still left food for
Whole
them.
heap of food in the pot
Yeah.
said we.
Fish and dumpling and red.
I'll force somebody carry it off of that. One man.
Yeah.
Rasta, what's the food? Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Yeah, man, in my work, in my work.
Oh, yes, chef, alright?
Chef, I go on.
Alright, Jamaican Life Abroad TV out.
I might have to employ you.
Your food mad.
That's all.
Well then, Rastaman say food nice.
Less than an hour.
Less than an hour, 50 minutes. And it done. 50 minutes. Dumpling, yam and banana. You see that? Who know this?
Son was in father.
The drink when me have here. I know me still Jamaica. Left Jamaica, but Jamaica not left me. See it here? Big Joe. And me fi tell you, Jamaica. Press them. Yeah. See me have a steam fish here ready. Steam fish with rice, clot, dumpling, and yam and banana. Yeah. Oh. Alright, me there. Ah. Yeah.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.